Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is Rusty Resurrection. Today we're in Hershey, Pennsylvania, visiting the AACA Museum. We're on our way home. We've only got a couple hours. We don't have a lot of time to see a lot of everything, but we're going to do the best that we can, and we'll show you some of the tours we go through. From the moment you drive onto the museum property, it is clear that this will be an exploration of America's historic and cultural relationship to the automobile. Entering the brightly lit lobby, the ticket desk is immediately to the right, next to the gift shop. Typical museum setups. When asked where we begin the tour, we were given an auto-related landmark. The entrance, we were told, is just behind the green Ford Bronco. And oh my, was it. When you step into the first gallery, you were greeted by two Cadillacs, a 1905 Model E and a 1933 LaSalle. The purpose of the display was to show the transformation of the automobile from boutique to full-on industry. Henry Leland, the founder of Cadillac, is considered to be the genius who brought precision manufacturing to the automotive industry. Henry, who had his roots in manufacturing, working first for Brown and Sharp, and then with the production of firearms working for Colt and Springfield Armory, brought his combination of skills and experience to Cadillac, the company that he founded. He pioneered the concept of parts interchangeability well before Ford introduced his now famous assembly line into the manufacturing lexicon. In the 28 years that spanned the design and production of these two cars, it's clear the transformation of design and aesthetic is from horse and buggy practicality to art and design as fundamental to the pride of creation and ownership. Each gallery in the museum is set up by periods, from the earliest auto to somewhere around the early 90s. There is some debate in the collector car culture if modern cars, say 2000s onwards, have reached such a zenith of sameness in design and performance if any future story will actually be a story. Or it might just be autobiographical snobbery. And it may just be that this is where the museum elected to end its historical epic for its own storytelling. Though I wish I had taken more photos, the dioramas and dioramic backdrops were incredible. They were life-size to oversize. There was so much on display in the museum, showing the automobile with its cultural and historical environments from its period past. hope you all enjoyed the short tour of the AACA Museum. Again, we're on our way home. We didn't get to spend more than a couple hours here. You could spend a day trying to see all of the automobiles and displays that are here. They have over 200 cars. I would love to have spent more time just studying each car. I got you some video, I got you some photographs. Thanks for being here, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you would, please. Helps grow the channel, helps tell the algorithms that this is a channel worth watching. I'll see you all in the next video.